What's going on? It's your boy DG from DG Mindset. We are here. I know why you're here. I know what you're thinking. I'm going to go ahead and break it open for you. You're wondering, how do I make more money? I'm going to give it to you. This one step, this one thing, if you can do this, I will guarantee you that you will increase your earning potential. Before we get started, make sure you hit like, make sure you hit subscribe, and go ahead and make sure you follow on all social media handles at DG Mindset. Okay. Everybody always asks me, how do I make more money? How do I make more money? How do I make more money? Here's how you make more money. Stop focusing on money. Money is just a piece of paper. That's all it is. It's just a piece of paper. That paper is no different than any other piece of paper. Here is the key. It is the energy that money represents in your life. And when I say energy, that's just a really cool new age way of saying emotion. How does money show up in your life emotionally? I like to think of money like a person. Do I have this weird, creepy obsession with this person? Am I clingy? Am I like needy? Oh my gosh, where is she? How come she's not here? If that's the case, what do you think a person would do? They'd be like, get away from me. Money's doing the same thing. So when you start understanding that it's not about the actual physical thing that we call money, it is about the emotions that it represents. Now let's take a shift and go to the metaphysical side. When you start understanding that you live in a sea of energy, and this energy is just oscillating waves of pure potential that can turn into anything when they collapse into particles. We have the saying, where attention goes, energy flows, meaning when I give attention or intention to something, I am going to create that in my reality. The key, though, is figuring out what money represents energetically in your life. So for most people, money represents security. Okay? Security is an emotion, but it's not the base emotion. I got to get to the base energy. Security invokes the emotion of peace. When I have security, I will be at peace. This is why we spend X amount of dollars a month having an alarm system in our house. It gives us security so we can sleep in peace. We think and we have been programmed that money does the same thing. So it's really not that you want money, you just want security. But you really don't want security, you just wanted peace. So to make this energetic contract that will be binding with this universe, I must broadcast and put out the energy of peace. When I put out the energy of peace, now I am in tune with the same frequency that money represents in my life. This is what we call electric magnetism. Electrically, meaning my thoughts, I am putting out that I would love to create more abundance, more prosperity financially. Emotionally, I am feeling the peace that I would feel through having this already. So you are being it in the present moment. Well, if we look at the Oxford Dictionary, the definition of manifestation is the embodiment of an abstract thought, meaning I am it right now. Now you see why we always say affirmations. We say I am, because you had to be it right now. And it's not what you say and what you think, but more importantly, what you are feeling. You essentially create a Wi-Fi signal that is going out, and through electric magnetism, you will bring these opportunities and situations to you that will create the same energy and the opportunity for you to make more money. That was the one thing you had to do, but in fine print underneath, in order for you to be it right now, you had to think that you were worthy of it. And this, my friend, is why healing your inner child was everything. Because that was the part of you that didn't feel like it was good enough, it didn't feel like it was smart enough, it didn't feel like it was worthy of obtaining what you were trying to create financially. Go back and heal that, and now this will raise your energetic vibration, so it will be easier for you to feel peace, love, and joy. If this resonates with you, or if this helped you even just smallest bit, let us know in the comments. Make sure you hit like, make sure you hit subscribe. Send this to somebody who's part of your team, someone who you work with. Send it to your family member. Send it to somebody who needed to hear this so they can start living the life of abundance that they've been destined to live. As always, you know where to find us. At DG Mindset, all social media. Make sure you sign up for the 3 free step course to healing your inner child. And until next time, be good.